Hello, this is Technology Channel and I am Malik Muhammad Mehran. This video is about how to make an LED indicator light. It is found that please don't try it at home. I will be not responsible for any loss you bear. This is circuit diagram of LED indicator light. This is an LED, this is diode, and the diode type is 1N4007, and we require a resistor for it of 100 kilo ohm resistance. Components are also mentioned here: 100 kilo ohm resistor, LED light, 1N4007 diode, 2-pin plug. So how we would identify this resistor? So we can identify this by 4 bands because it is a 4-band resistor. First band would be brown, second would be black, third would be yellow, and the last one would be gold. Brown depicts value of 1, whereas black depicts 0. Yellow depicts a multiplying factor 10 kilo ohm, and the gold band shows plus minus 5% tolerance value. So how we will connect this circuit? Anode, the longer arm of the LED, is called anode. So this is the positive terminal. We would connect with this diode, and this silver band depicts this diode has a negative terminal, and another one is the positive terminal. So we will connect this anode with this ring arm. So another terminal of the LED is negative terminal, that is also called cathode. We will connect a 100 kilo ohm resistor with it. So we have a already prepared circuit I want to show you. This is LED, this is diode connected with it, and with another arm a resistor of 100 kilo ohm is connected. So now we will go for the testing phase. This is the casing of 2-pin plug. We will hide the circuit in this casing, and we are fixing nut and bolts. This is ready for testing. So this is an AC source, 220 volts. We will insert it in socket. Now we will press the button. Yeah, you are watching LEDs lighting up. So our circuit is working. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, then like my channel and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye, till next video.